Hard water is silently destroying your home right now. Every shower, every dish, every load of laundry, calcium and magnesium minerals are building up in your pipes, shortening appliance lifespans, and costing you hundreds of dollars annually. But here's the problem. Walk into any store or search online, and you'll find dozens of water softeners claiming to be the best. Some cost $500, others $2,000. Which one actually works? Which one fits your home and budget? I've analyzed expert tests, real user reviews, and performance data to cut through the noise. In this video, you'll discover 6 proven water softeners ranked from good to exceptional, including one budget champion that shocked even the experts. Product links are in the description. Let's save your plumbing and your wallet. Number 6. iSpring ED2000 Electronic Water Descaler price range, $150 to $200. Let's start with something different. The iSpring ED2000 isn't technically a water softener, it's an electronic descaler. Here's what that means for you. This device wraps around your existing pipes using antenna cables that create electromagnetic waves. These waves prevent minerals from forming limescale deposits. No plumbing required, no salt, no maintenance, just plug it in. Perfect for renters or anyone who can't install traditional softeners. It's designed for very hard water areas with 10 to 19 grains per gallon. The installation takes literally 15 minutes. Wrap the cables around your pipe and plug into an outlet. But here's the catch. It doesn't actually remove minerals from water. It just changes how they behave. You'll still see some mineral content in water tests. Also, the treatment effect is temporary. After traveling about 50 feet, water molecules reform large clusters, so larger homes might need multiple units. Real users report noticeable differences within 2 weeks. Deposits on faucets wipe away much easier, and soap lathers better. One user mentioned their 20-year-old plumbing started descaling heavily after installation, which proves it works, but be prepared for that purge phase. Bottom line, if you're on a tight budget, can't modify plumbing, or need something temporary, this is your answer. But for true water softening, keep watching. Number 5. Whirlpool WHES40E price range, $700 to $900. Moving into traditional salt-based systems, the Whirlpool WHES40E offers solid performance from a trusted brand. This 40,000 grain capacity system is NSF certified and ideal for families of 1 to 6 plus people. The real standout? It removes up to 125 parts per million of hardness, plus 10 parts per million of ferrous iron. That's significantly more iron removal than most competitors at this price. The single cabinet design saves space compared to dual tank systems. It uses demand-initiated regeneration, automatically calculating how much salt and water is needed, which cuts operating costs. Users report using very little salt compared to older systems. Here's what experts found. In testing with Central Florida, well water at 18 GPG hardness and 1.2 ppm iron, the system effectively reduced both contaminants. Real-world feedback is mostly positive. One owner replaced their 15-year-old Whirlpool with the same model again, praising its reliability. Another user mentioned their old unit lasted 21 years. The downside? Warranty is only 1 year parts and labor, though it extends to 3 years for electronics and 10 years for the tank. Some users report issues with customer service when problems occur. This is a dependable workhorse. Not fancy, but it gets the job done year after year. Number 4. Aquasure Harmony Series, 48,000 to 64,000 grain. Price range, $500 to $700. Here's where value meets performance. The Aquasure Harmony Series punches way above its weight class. Available in multiple capacities, 32,000 up to 72,000 grains, this system handles households of various sizes. It uses ion exchange to remove hard water minerals like calcium and magnesium, with the digital metered control head automatically managing regeneration cycles. Installation is straightforward. Users report easy setup following clear instructions, with most completing installation in under a day. The system ships with resin preloaded, saving installation time. Real results? Users rave about the transformation. One homeowner reported no more mineral residues in coffee pots, no spots on shower doors, no crust around toilet water lines, and softer hair and skin. Another mentioned using dish soap for 2 weeks instead of buying it weekly. The warranty is solid, 1 year standard, extending to 5 years with registration within 60 days. But here's the trade-off. Build quality isn't quite as robust as premium brands. Some users experienced minor leaks at connections that required replacement parts, though customer service responded quickly. For families wanting soft water without spending $1,500 plus, this is your sweet spot. Quality water softening at a price that makes sense? Number 3, Fleck 5600SXT price range, $600 to $800. This is the water softener that's been quietly dominating the market for years. The Fleck 5600SXT is the ultimate no-nonsense choice. Available in 5 models ranging from 24,000 to 64,000 grains, this system uses a fully programmable USA-made control valve that's so good, other brands use it in their systems. The 5600SXT features an internal capacitor that keeps your time set for up to 48 hours during power outages and non-volatile memory that never loses system settings. You can save up to 40% on salt usage over standard timer systems. Build quality is outstanding. It uses 10% cross-link resin, an upgrade from the 8% resin used in many systems, which means longer lifespan and better durability. Expert testing shows consistent performance. It's NSF certified and made in the USA, so quality control is tight. User experiences? One owner said, "Set and forget. Just add salt once in a while." Another mentioned they're buying their second unit for family members after years of reliable service. The warranty is reassuring, 10-year warranty on the tank and 5-year warranty on the valve. What's not perfect? It lacks smart features. No Wi-Fi, no app, no alerts. You'll need to manually check salt levels and program settings the old-fashioned way. If you want proven reliability, easy DIY installation, and a system that'll run for 15+ years without drama, the Fleck 5600SXT delivers exceptional value. Number 2, SoftPro Elite price range, $1,200 to $1,800. Now we're entering premium territory. The SoftPro Elite is engineered for maximum efficiency. Available in 7 grain capacities from 24,000 to 110,000 grains, this system offers precise sizing options most brands can't match. The secret weapon? Upflow regeneration technology that uses up to 50% less salt than standard systems, and backwashing only occurs every 5th regeneration cycle. Let's talk real numbers. Annual operating costs can be as low as $56. That's insanely efficient. The resin lasts up to 20 years, twice as long as average 8% resin. In independent lab testing, the SoftPro Elite eliminated more than 99% of calcium and magnesium from Colorado well water with 120 parts per million total hardness. The system reduced hardness from 30.4 1 parts per million calcium and 10.2 2 parts per million magnesium down to undetectable levels. Our bonus, it also removed 100% of barium from 0.057 parts per million to 0 and 100% of strontium from 0.179 parts per million to 0. Users love the demand-initiated regeneration that triggers automatic cycles when resin drops below 3% threshold, meaning you'll never run out of soft water unexpectedly. Installation is DIY friendly for those with basic plumbing skills. Customer service from Quality Water Treatment is repeatedly praised as outstanding, with technicians walking customers through programming and troubleshooting. The lifetime warranty on major components adds serious peace of mind. Minor downside? The oversized brine tank takes up more space, though this means fewer salt refills. This system is for homeowners who want professional-grade efficiency, especially those on well water. The upfront cost pays for itself through salt savings and longevity. Enter number 1, SpringWell SS1 price range, $1,500 to $1,700. The champion. The SpringWell SS1 represents the pinnacle of residential water softening technology. Available in 3 sizes, SS1, 11 GPM for 1 to 3 bathrooms, SS4, 13 GPM for 4 to 6 bathrooms, and SS Plus, 20 GPM for 7+ bathrooms. Each model shares the same high-flow tank design that maintains 11+ GPM flow rates without pressure loss. Performance is exceptional. In real-world testing, the SS1 reduced water hardness by 97.5%, dropping from 13.71 GPG down to just 0.34 GPG. That's near complete elimination of hard water minerals. The system uses 10% cross-link resin that's chlorine-resistant and more durable than standard 8% resin. It can handle up to 3 parts per million of iron, making it excellent for well water applications. Our smart technology sets this apart. Bluetooth connectivity lets you monitor salt levels, adjust cycles, and track usage from your phone. Battery backup saves your preferences during power outages. The demand-based regeneration is intelligent. One owner said, "I don't burn through bags of salt like my old Whirlpool. This thing actually adjusts to how we use water." Installation takes roughly 4 hours for handy homeowners, though professional installation adds $200 to $400. Here's the game changer. SpringWell offers a lifetime warranty and 6-month money-back guarantee. That's unheard of in this industry. Physical improvements? Water has a smooth, silky feel. Skin no longer feels sticky after washing. And users detected no new scale formation on fixtures or appliances. Is it perfect? The price is higher than budget options. Some parts needed for unique installations aren't included, requiring additional purchases. But here's why it's number 1. You're getting premium components, smart technology, outstanding customer support, and a warranty that literally lasts forever. For homeowners who want the absolute best water softening experience with minimal hassle, the SpringWell SS1 justifies every dollar. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest hard water problem? Is it the soap scum, the scale on faucets, or are your appliances breaking down too fast? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you've used any of these systems, share your experience. It helps everyone make better decisions. There you have it. 6 exceptional water softeners that'll transform your home's water quality. From the budget-friendly iSpring ED2000 at under $200 to the premium SpringWell SS1, there's a solution for every home and budget. Remember, the best system depends on your specific situation, household size, water hardness level, and whether you're on city water or a well. Check your water hardness first, then match it to the right capacity. Every product link is in the description below, along with any current discount codes I could find. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews that save you money. Your plumbing will thank you. See you in the next one.